Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. Cardano has potential to become scarce asset like Bitcoin community. According to ADA Whale, the Cardano community-focused Twitter account, Cardano remains one of the few coins that comes close to Bitcoin's distribution and inflation. He also feels that ADA could become a highly scarce asset at some point in the future, as it may follow a BTC-like path. The ADA Whale thinks that Bitcoin got its dynamics right because of its fair distribution, its price staying low long enough to allow many to buy, and its fixed supply. Satoshi Nakamoto, the enigmatic Bitcoin creator, believes that scarcity may create value, hence, the maximum supply of Bitcoin was limited to 21 million coins. The 19 million Bitcoin was mined in April, leaving only 2 million BTC to be mined in about 100 years. Cardano, like Bitcoin but unlike Ethereum, has a finite supply limit, with only 45 billion ADA ever to be created over the coin's existence. Presently, 33.82 billion ADA are in circulation, accounting for 75% of the maximum supply, and 34.27 billion ADA have been created so far, per CoinMarketCap data. However, because of continued unfavorable market conditions, the ADA Whale believes that now may not be the time to load up on ADA. This is a bear market, so be prepared for possibly months of double-digit negative returns if you do, he advises. Just trying to put it into long-term perspective. Cardano's closed vassal testnet deployed ahead of June hard fork. According to the latest weekly report by Cardano's parent company, IOHK, the closed vassal testnet has already been launched to assess its functionality with a select group of dApps and users. The Cardano team continues to work on consensus-specific enhancements in anticipation of the vassal hard fork combinator (HFC) event in June. In addition, IOHK provided a chart with network growth information. Currently, 986 projects are building on Cardano, up from 943 previously. A total of 88 projects have recently been launched on Cardano, while the number of NFT projects has risen to 5,727. For the week, GitHub Connects totaled 3,028, while Cardano native tokens stood at 4.9 million. Also, the number of Plutus scripts was 2,745. ADA is currently trading at 46 cents, down to 28%. So next news. Cardano slides below 50 cents, alarming a danger ahead. Cardano is among the cryptocurrencies with higher at protocol. For instance, the TVL locked in Ethereum projects is typically measured in Ether United States dollars. Kusama, it's worth noting, is a pre-production environment for the Polkadot network that allows developers to experiment and test new blockchains or applications before releasing them on the main network. Cardano's first usable DeFi application was launched back in January, after it launched through an under-the-radar offering. The platform, MuesliSwap, has seen its total value locked since grow to $12.5 million. Ahead of it comes Meld, with over $68 million in TVL. Leading Cardano's DeFi ecosystem is SundaSwap, a native, scalable decentralized exchange and automated liquidity provision protocol that is backed by Fund, Alameda Research, a quantitative cryptocurrency trading firm and liquidity provider founded by FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried, and Double P Group. Behind it is MinSwap, a decentralized exchange that saw its total value lock jump 400% in a week after it launched, and now has $94 million locked on it. Earlier this month, Charles Hoskinson, co-founder and CEO of IO Global, the company responsible for Cardano's research and development, suggested we ain't seen nothing yet when it comes to TVL on Cardano, as several projects are waiting for the Vassal Hard Fork Combinator (HFC) event, which is expected to take place in June. As reported, the number of addresses holding ADA for the long term has grown by 32.1% last month to 408,000, after growing by 10.9% in January and 5.78% in December, suggesting hodlers keep on accumulating the cryptocurrency. According to CryptoCompare's latest asset report, the number of addresses holding ADA grew 5.9% to a new all-time high in February, largely thanks to a rise in long-term holders, and a 13.4% rise in cruisers, which went up to 3.62 million addresses. The number of traders on the network dropped 25.2% to 770,000. So next news. Amid underwhelming Cardano price, Hoskinson predicts huge TVL boost as Trezor Suite adds support for $ADA. In a recent tweet, Hoskinson, while acknowledging the expeditiously expanding Cardano ecosystem, stated that the network is poised to see even more projects launched this year. Specifically, the influx will peak. And now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concepts. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the TechNews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins. Cardano price prediction for 2022 ADAs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Cardano, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $1.40. ADA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $1.23, a minimum price of $1.19, and a maximum price of $1.40. ADA prediction 2023